In this video, I will talk about 9 signs she wants you to kiss her. Point number 7 will shock you, so watch this video till the end. 1. Intense eye contact. Eye contact is crucial in dating, often indicating interest or attraction. When a girl maintains intense eye contact with you, it's a strong sign she may want to kiss you. 2. Getting close. If she deliberately closes the distance between you and moves closer to your face, it's a clear indication that she's interested in kissing you. This gesture shows her intentions are clear. 3. Resting head on your shoulder. When she leans her head on your shoulder, it's an easy to miss sign that she wants you to make a move. However, this gesture can sometimes be misinterpreted, so pay attention to other cues as well. 4. Acting shy. If she suddenly becomes shy after being comfortable around you all night, it could be a sign that she's hoping for a kiss. This change in behavior is worth noting when trying to gauge her interest. 5. Fidgeting. When she starts fidgeting around you, playing with her hair or jewelry, it may indicate nervousness or excitement. This subtle behavior can be a sign that she's feeling a connection with you and may want to kiss. 6. Comfortable with your touch. Touch is a significant aspect of dating, and if she's comfortable with your touch, it suggests she's at ease around you and interested in what's happening between you two. 7. Lip biting or licking. If she bites or licks her lips while looking at yours or making direct eye contact, it's a strong indication that she's thinking about kissing you and isn't afraid to show it. 8. Reaction to compliments. Pay attention to her reaction when you compliment her or touch her hair. Her response can give you valuable insight into whether she's ready to be kissed. 9. Placing her hand on yours. During a conversation, try taking her hand and placing it on top of yours casually. If she leaves it there for more than 10 seconds, it's likely a sign that she's open to being kissed. Thank you for watching.